what did you think of Alois Mutiniri? I was like,
Huh?
who? What? Alois Mutiniri was there? That was Alois Mutiniri. Like, so he was one of my favorite beer players for years, and I bought a CD of his a long time ago at Zoomfest, and I was very enthusiastic about his playing style and all this stuff, and I didn't even know it was him. Sitting right there next to me. But the good news is, we actually brought him from out there to Harare, to the place we were staying, and he did a couple days of workshops with us and taught us this song. So, here are your words. They are Mondoro. Mondoro. You guys got that one? Nice. Y'all are better at your pros at it. Mondoro. Mucha. Iona. That's all one thing though. I just want you to know that. Mucha Iona. Mondoro. Mucha Iona. Cut. Done. You're done. That's it. I promise. Mondoro. Mucha Iona. Cut. Solid. You got it.
So what are we saying?
So the Mondoro is like the great spirit. It's like a lion spirit. It's part of the Shona traditional religious culture, and you play Mbira for the Mondoro spirits, and they do good things for you. And Mucha Iona Ka is like you will see the Mondoro spirit. You will see that spirit soon. And then you guys are sort of calling, and we'll respond sometimes with Aiwa Bana Bapera Iwe Chinyara.
So you guys
So are we singing with you?
Yeah, I'll sing that one.
Okay.
We'll sing it too. Don't worry. We'll demonstrate before we expect you to jump in.
Yeah, so then what they're singing, the people
The
are
children are
perishing.
Bana baby means our children.
Yes, Bana Bapera means Bana Bapera.
The children are
Perishing.
perishing.
But hush, chinyara, orphans,
The Mondoro now.
hush, because you're going to see those big spirits. The complying spirits are coming to help. No, they're going to, Mondoro come to help.
Thank you.